The following is a paid advertisement for the H2O Steam Mop X5 brought to you by Thane Direct.
Very easy, not difficult at all.
Amazing.
Look at it coming off.
It's lightweight.
It was effortless.
It's not hard to push it off.
It's safe for your pets to be around, and it took seconds to heat up.
It definitely cut my time in half. You don't have to go shopping for chemicals all the time. That's beautiful.
It does the work for you.
It's an all-in-one product.
One tool, and I'm done.
It's time to meet the new H2O X5, the next generation of total home steam cleaning care. It's the easy-to-use, super lightweight, maneuverable, and transformable lean green steaming machine. A total of 5 steamers in one. Now, here to tell you more is your home cleaning expert, Anthony the Sanitizer Sullivan.
Hi, I'm Anthony Sullivan, and today I'm going to be talking about cleaning with steam. And if you've ever thought about owning a steam cleaning machine, the new X5 takes steam cleaning to a whole new level on every level. Firstly, at the push of a button, it'll turn ordinary tap water into steam in less than 30 seconds. You'll be cleaning at 230 degrees. But the X5 is more than just a mop. First, it's a multi-surface floor steamer. Second, it's a carpet steamer. Third, it's a handheld steamer. Fourth, it's a window, glass, and mirror steamer. And fifth, it's a great garment and upholstery steamer. Now, the X5 uses ordinary tap water. You can use hot water or you can use cold water. There's no pressure. It heats up in less than 30 seconds, and you can adjust the steam, and even when it's full, it weighs less than 5 pounds. It's easy to use, and it's lightweight. And remember, when you clean with steam, you help sanitize, deodorize, and you clean all at the same time. The steam will break down the dirt, and when you combine the dirt-trapping power of microfiber, you've got double trouble for your floors. In your kitchen or your bathroom, the steam will break down the dirt, the grease, and the grime, and the microfiber will trap it in there. Clean with the power of steam. At 230 degrees, it's chemical-free. Think of the money you'll save because you're only cleaning with water. And if you have pets and children, it's safe. Now, for marble floors or stone floors, turn to the power of steam with the X5. The steam will loosen the dirt, the grease, and the grime. It'll clean and polish all at the same time. And this floor will dry in less than 60 seconds with a streak-free shine. Now, on laminate floors, pergo floors, you can always depend on the power of steam. Watch it cut through the stain, dirt, grease, muddy footprints, grime. I'm not cleaning with chemicals. I'm cleaning with only water. Get off your hands and knees and clean with steam at 230 degrees. Now, I've been using this on maximum setting. All I'm going to do now is use the adjustable steam control and turn it down to a lower setting, and we're going to go to work on this wood floor. It cleans and it polishes, leaving a streak-free shine and no chemicals. Whether you've got scuff marks or just dirt and dust, you can use steam all day long. But I've saved the best till last, tile. If you're looking for a streak-free shine, you can depend on the power of steam and the power of microfiber to trap the dirt. It cleans and it polishes all at the same time, and it'll even kill salmonella and E. coli. When you clean with the power of steam, you clean and you deodorize using just the power of steam.
I really liked how I could clean my hard floors and then put the X5 right into the glider and move straight onto the carpet. And it leaves my carpet looking new and smelling fresh.
It's also an amazing carpet steamer, and it comes with a glider for using on carpets, and there's a reason for that. But if you want to breathe life back into or refresh your carpets, then wait till you see how the X5 works. I'm actually going to draw on this carpet using this wax pencil. This could be dirt, it could be grease, grime, or muddy footprints. Now, even when it's full of water, the X5 weighs less than 5 pounds. It's lightweight and it's easy to use. And when you put it in the glider, it glides effortlessly over carpet. The steam penetrates deep into the carpet, relaxing the nap, and it'll break down the dirt, the grease, and the grime. you're cleaning at 230 degrees. That stain is gone. So if you've ever thought about renting a big carpet cleaner or hiring professionals, save your money and your time and keep it clean using the power of steam.
It's an all-in-one product that you can use on bathrooms, living room, dining room.
Wood floor to tile floor to your baby toys.
On your stove, you can use it in the bathroom, you can use it in the shower.
It's an all-in-one product that you can use throughout your whole house.
Now I want to show you how the X5 goes from being one of the best steam mops you'll ever use to being one of the best handheld steamers you'll ever use. All I got to do is unclick the handle like this, push the button on the base of the mop. Now I've got one of the best handheld steamers you'll ever use. One-touch operation will heat this steam up to 230 degrees in less than 30 seconds. And I'm going to start with the kitchen sink. Come and take a look at this. If you've got a garbage disposal and you've got odors, all you got to do is place the X5 handheld unit down one side and look at the steam rise out of the other side. You're cleaning and you're deodorizing using the power of steam with no chemicals. Now all I'm going to do is turn it off and grab the jet nozzle. Now I love the jet nozzle because what it does, it actually concentrates the steam. Look how quickly this fires up. Look at the way the steam concentrates. I get excited when I do this. It breaks down the buildup, the dirt, the grease and the grime. It'll even kill salmonella and E. coli, and it polishes without using chemicals. Look at that. It's clean. Now I want to talk about chopping boards. You can't put a wood chopping board in a dishwasher because it'll warp. Watch this. Think of all the food preparation that you do on your chopping board. Don't use chemicals. Blast it using the power of steam. Look at it break down. All the mess on this chopping board. Look how this just cuts through the grease and the grime. That chopping board is clean. And I've done this right before your eyes right here. Look at that. There's your before and there's your after. All clean using the power of steam.
I don't like to mix chemicals and food products together.
You can sit there and scrub and scrub and scrub with regular dishwater. This is taking me a minute.
The jet nozzle also comes with a brush attachment. Now, I want you to think about this. Cooktop, whether you have gas or electric or a glass one like this, they are hard to clean. The food stains get everywhere. Okay, my crew have burned this on. This could be baked on, burned on. Use steam. You'll get it clean with less rubbing, less scrubbing, and no chemicals. All I'm going to do is wipe that away. It gets into all the nooks and crannies, whether it's baked on or caked on. The proof is right there on the rag, all using the power of steam with the X5.
You wouldn't have to scrub with a toothbrush or with anything else.
It gets the grime, the dirt, everything off immediately.
You can't get any fresher or safer than just plain water.
Another great attachment that comes with the X5 is the extension hose and the dusting and polishing bonnet. If you've got stainless steel appliances like this fridge, you know you have fingerprints on them. And you normally have to break out the stainless steel cleaner. Watch the steam go to work. It cleans and polishes at 230 degrees. And what I like about using steam is, in less than 60 seconds, the fingerprints are gone and the stainless steel is clean and dry. It just makes sense to clean with steam.
The very first thing that struck me, and I've got to say this, it was a nice long cord. I didn't have to plug, unplug, go to another room, plug, unplug, and that I thought was really exceptional.
When we come back, you'll see the X5 work on glass, grout, and even garments, all cleaned using the power of steam.
It's time for the X5, the 5-in-1 steam cleaning machine that helps clean virtually every surface in your home. The steamer that's lightweight, powerful, easy to use, and features continuous variable steam. First, it's a powerful floor steamer that heats up in seconds, blasting away dirt, grease, and grime on almost every surface. 1,300 watts of steam penetrate deep into the nooks and crannies. The super hot steam loosens the dirt while the microfiber pad locks it in, cleaning and polishing at the same time. And now with variable steam, there's a perfect super clean setting for virtually any floor from tough tile to sealed wood.
Okay guys, lower the lights and bring in the black light.
Under the black light, you can see a mess. It could be anything. And if you have kids or pets, it needs to be clean. The X5 cleans at 230 degrees with the added power of microfiber, so it cleans without chemicals. You'll also receive the carpet glider free. Effortlessly breathe life back into old carpet. But that's not all. Your X5 turns into an amazing handheld steamer. We'll also send you the jet nozzle and nylon brush. Blast away stubborn stains in the bathroom. Then set the variable steam to high